Oh God, oh God. Hello, hello. All right, we're back at it again. Been a couple days since put the chemical on the wasp nest in the ground and coming back to check it out. And I just walked around a little bit before I started the video and kind of getting looky-loo around and see it's still, there's a few little scragglers around there flying around. So I'm going to remove the bucket carefully and see what happens. And I may be jumping over that fence and taking a swim in that lake rather quickly. Like I said, here we go. So wish me luck. We're gonna give a little. Man, I just saw a fly land on me and I about pooped myself. So I'm gonna give it just a quick little. Matter of fact, I'm gonna move this weight first. Okay, weight is removed. And I had a friend of mine tell me, he said, "What do you know what works really good for this situation? Is also a fire extinguisher. So put a fire extinguisher in the hole. This way seems a little less chance of me getting stung. Man, I am jumpy. I'm as nervous as a nine-tailed cat in a room full of rockers right now. I tell you what. Everything around me feels like a bee or a wasp. Ooh, God, see, look at that. The water just scared the Jesus out of me. All right, here we go. All right, you see me run like a girl. Everybody gets a good laugh. Oh, God, oh, God, oh, God. They're everywhere. They're everywhere. Ah! I'm just playing. I murked them. They're gone. They're deceased. There's where it were. You can actually see one of the little fellas right there. He's pretty old dead. I don't want to stick my fingers in there. There's some chemical in there. Not the worst stuff in the world, but still don't want me to get all over myself. But tricked you. 0. Stink count. Peace out.